Alright, in this video, we're going to take a closer look at the iQOO Z11, a smartphone that combines a large battery, high refresh rate display, and modern hardware. The iQOO Z11 comes with a glass front, plastic back, and plastic frame with a weight of 216.5 grams and a thickness of 8.3 millimeters. It supports dual nano SIM and is rated IP68 and IP69 for dust and water resistance, including high-pressure water and submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. On the front, it features a 6.83-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels and around 450 ppi density. It supports a 165 Hz refresh rate, 2160 Hz PWM dimming, HDR with brightness levels up to 1000 nits, 2000 nits in high brightness mode, and up to 5000 nits peak. The iQOO Z11 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 chipset built on a 4nm process. It comes with RAM options of 8GB, 12GB, and 16GB, along with storage options of 256GB and 512GB using UFS technology without a microSD card slot. On the rear, it features a dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, PDAF, and OIS. It supports HDR, panorama, LED flash, and video recording up to 4K with gyro EIS and OIS. On the front, there is a 16-megapixel selfie camera with 1080p video recording and gyro EIS. The iQOO Z11 is equipped with a 9020 mAh Silicon lithium-ion battery. It supports 90-watt wired charging along with 44-watt UFCS and 55-watt PD/PPS charging. For connectivity, it supports GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G networks. It includes dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4 with aptX HD, NFC, infrared port, and USB Type-C with OTG. It also features stereo speakers, an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, and standard sensors including accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. Overall, the iQOO Z11 brings together a high refresh rate AMOLED display, a powerful chipset, large memory options, and an exceptionally large battery, combined with modern connectivity and protection features. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.